Good morning. Here we go again. We are going to be working on our legs, and I hope you are ready. I want you to really get into this. Remember, Christmas is just round the corner. You need to work out, no excuse. Today I'm with my daughter, Jordan, all the way from the States.
Hello.
Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. We are going to do squats by running around. We learned this from Nina. Thanks, Nina. Okay, here we go. Can you sit? You have to run. I love it. I love it. Remember to pull in your stomach. Okay, let's do another set, Jordan. How do you feel? You see, your heart rate goes up here. So you are working on the legs, but at the same time, it's cardio. Your heart rate goes up. So we are going to continue with the legs, but this time we are kicking. Okay. We are starting with our left leg, which is your right leg. Yeah? Yeah, left. Yeah, left. Okay, here we go. Whew. Clean your stomach. Whew. Okay, we'll do that set again, and we'll leave you to do the rest for 30 minutes. And remember to always drink water, put in your stomach all the time as you work out, because you work on your muscles around the stomach. Okay, let's go. Jordan. This is my best. I love it. My legs are already hurting. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Because after this, we are going to be nurse class. We have boot camp coming up. We have support strength. Oh Lord, it's a lot of work. So we need to leave some energy for our 2 classes. But you have to continue working out. I believe you enjoyed yourself, Jordan. She is a healthy girl, man. She works out, she eats healthy. That's wonderful, Jordan. And I think we've come to the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't just watch. Promise me that you'll go and work out. Remember, health is wealth. God has given you this temple. So take care of it so you can serve Him and live long and enjoy life. Why not? You have to enjoy life. Thank God for this temple. Don't abuse it. Thank you. God bless you and have a great workout. Thanks, Jordan.